standing in a windy tall shadow of the wall. To give the information as before, the blood rise. It's the ringing in my ear, I'm blood eyes. I can't really hear you